Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain and show you how to make new contact group in Outlook. So the first step is to simply open Outlook on your computer, or if you want you can simply open the app or go on any browser. And after you log in into your Outlook account, as you can see here on the left side, you have this section here, which is the groups one. So all you have to do is simply either click on these three dots and then click on new group, or simply click this new group button. And then what you're gonna have to do is simply give it a name, and then simply, if you want, you can enter a short description and then simply click on create. Now the next step is to simply wait, and then we're gonna have to simply add new contacts to our group. So what I'm gonna have to do now is simply wait until this loads up, and basically Outlook will create this group for us. And as you can see, we can work together. As you can see, we can share different goals, we can send emails to multiple people and talk at the same time. So basically, this is how you can make a new contact group in Outlook. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.